Looking Glass Waterfall, Pisgah National Forest. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at some waterfalls that are here in the beautiful mountains of North Carolina. This one is really easy to get to because it's right here on the side of the road. Right now I'm up here at the top looking down. That is a beautiful waterfall, and we'll go down in a minute or so and take a look from the bottom. Whoa, that was a bird that just flew by in front of the camera. I just love hearing the sound of this waterfall. It's just amazing to look at, and very relaxing here, very beautiful here. Okay, let's go on down here to the bottom of this waterfalls. As you can see, it's steep going down, but it's a nice cement steps, easy to get to. This would be one of the nicer ones to walk, because some of them I'm assuming would be very difficult to walk. Oh, this is nice. Wow. You can feel the mist off the waterfall. Still have a little ways to go down right here, but this is take a look where we just came down and see how steep it is to go back up, but this is okay. Wow, look at that, guys. This is a little more closer up look at the bottom. Just awesome to see. So this is our first waterfall for today. After this one, we'll go see if we can find another one and try to see as many as we can. This waterfall is just so amazing to see. There's a man down there behind that rock, if you can see him. He's got a camera too, so he's doing what I'm doing. Oh my, I think she wants to go down there and check out the water and see how cold it is. I'm sure it's pretty cold. It's a cool day today. We are at a higher elevation right now in the mountains, that's why it's a little bit more cooler. But down at the base, it feels a little more humid. There she goes. She's gonna play in the water a little bit. All right, now we're here to check out waterfall number 2. Moore Cove. Let's go see how this trail is and head on down and check it out. Definitely this trail is going to be a little more challenging than the other one. You can see how we just came up to the top. That's looking down to the bottom where we just left. This trail appears to be more uphill, so I know this one will be a little more challenging. And I think it's about a mile or a mile and a half to get to the waterfall. Well, the trail has leveled off a little bit, at least not going uphill at the moment, going downhill a little right here. So let's keep going, and maybe we'll be there in a few minutes. Going up and up and up. I can hear the sound of the waterfall getting more louder, so I know we're getting a little bit more closer to it. So maybe we'll be there in a few minutes. I just happened to look down inside this tree. It's little crosses inside where somebody placed inside here. I didn't know if you could see it very well, but yeah, somebody placed some crosses inside the hole there of that tree. Going back uphill again. I believe this waterfall is about a mile and a half, it seems. There's a dead tree that fell across the trail here. At least we have some flat land to walk on at the moment, but I'm sure we'll see some more uphill before we get to the waterfall. Well, like I said, we'll probably go uphill again before we get to the waterfall. Here we go. Back downhill again, and we should be getting very near to the waterfall now. Up again. Here we go. Yahoo! I can see the waterfall from here. And there is the waterfall. More cove. It's a nice one. Alright, let's get a little bit closer to it and get a better view. It would be nice to get up under that water that's coming down, but I'm sure it's cold. I'm going to get down here in a minute and go behind it, see how it looks from behind the waterfall. It is amazing to see how this rock has formed like this. It's just something incredible to see. Okay, now let's take a look at the view behind the waterfall as it comes down. Alright, I think it's time to go find the next waterfall. So I'll see you again when we get to number 3 waterfall. And I hope you enjoyed this one. So far they've been some beautiful waterfalls. And I'm sure there's more to come. Okay, I'm back. We have arrived and parked. And we're getting ready to go find the next waterfall. Okay, here we go. This is number 3, Sliding Rock Waterfall. That's the name of the next one. They said it's not very far down to the next waterfall, and it looks like a cement walkway. So let's head on down and see what it looks like. There is definitely a lot of walking traffic, and I'm sure there is a lot of people down here at this waterfall. This is just a beautiful place to visit. Now this looks like some points of interest around here in the area. Okay, down here we go. And I'm hearing the water sounding a little more louder, so I know we're near. Pretty nice trail to walk. It's all cement. So here we are, guys. Here is the Sliding Rock Waterfall. As you can see, you can slide down the rock, and that certainly looks like fun. Looks like a big crowd of people down here, and they certainly look like they are enjoying their time here. You can see the long line up there waiting to slide down the rock. Alright, there goes one sliding down the rock. Yahoo! It looks like a lot of fun, but I'm not prepared to go do that, but I wish I was. And I did see a lifeguard on duty, so they do have someone here just in case you need some help. Well, there goes another one. Bloop. Okay, now we're out in front of the rock so we can get a better view of them coming down. It's really fun to watch them slide down the rock. There's a good many people here. They're not practicing social distancing too well. And that's probably one of the biggest reasons why I would not want to do this right now. But it's fun to watch. Okay guys, this has been fun to watch, but it's time to move on and go find the next waterfall. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Alright, we are now here at one of the view stopping areas off the side of the road here. That's a big rock here in between the road going around it. And this is a viewpoint for the mountains. It's just to pull off on the side of the road and take a look out across here and see the mountains. This is the view of the Cherry Cove mountains down below, and the elevation here is 4,300 feet, which is a little bit more cooler as higher you go up the mountain. As you can see, those are some beautiful views of the mountains as far as you can see them. It really look foggy as further it goes out. Here you have more views from this side. It's just a very relaxing and beautiful place to be at. So now you see some of the mountain views. It's time to move on and go try to find the next waterfall. It should be near, hopefully. We just look for a lot of people on the side of the road park, and usually that's where you find them. So we'll leave here now and go ahead and find that next waterfall. Alright, we're back. We're on our way to the Skinny Dip Trail, waterfall I mean. We're on the Skinny Dip Trail, that is. But we're going to the Skinny Dip waterfall. So I guess probably a half a mile and we'll be there. Going uphill again. Kind of looks rough in this area to walk. So far it's been an uphill walk. Boy, as you can see, this is a rough walking trail here. A lot of rocks. Very rocky. The whole trail. Look at here. Nothing but rocks. Alright, we have made it here to the Skinny Dip Waterfalls. There seem to be a lot of people down there at the bottom. So what they're doing here, they're jumping off the top of that rock down there at the bottom that you see into the water. There are like two girls standing there now getting ready to jump, so we'll wait and see if they jump off, and you can see how they jump into the water. Maybe they're a little bit scared and thinking about it before they go. Woohoo! There they go. Wow, so many people down there. I'm just going to stay up here because it's too crowded. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the waterfalls. And if you will, please leave a comment down below and tell me which waterfall that you think was the best.
I want you to stay right.
There's 4 waterfalls. So let me know which one you think, guys, and thank you for watching.